Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're taking a look at the Nayo Smart HL1 Herman bag. Now, I've been looking for a sling bag for my Fujifilm X100VI, and I've been through so many different camera sling bags, but I wanted something that doesn't look like a camera sling bag. So after a couple of months of having this, I have decided to review it, based on the fact I think it's perfect for the X100VI. So this is my little review. I'm going to go over the build features and let's get started with the front of the bag here. We have this amazing little lock system, which has this little pull tag, and with a magnet, it just snaps closed. So yeah, nice little design on there. So that is metal, and then you've got this little pull tag here. But in general, the bag is built incredibly well. I hadn't heard of Nayo Smart before, so I was really surprised when they sent this bag over, and the quality of it is actually very, very good. Okay, so looking on the outside, we have this lock on the front. We have a standard sort of seatbelt type strap with all the adjustables as per usual. On this side here, you've got a little D-ring, so that's quite handy if you wanted to hang something off there. And what else on the outside? So let's go around the back quickly. You do have this little magnetic pocket on the back here, and in here it's perfect for an S24 Ultra that goes in there, and it is fleece lined, so that's really soft in there, so that's going to protect your phone. And with that against your body side, then that is going to be nice and secure. And yeah, it's got a good little magnet on there, so I'm quite happy with the security for that. All right, so getting on with this, because I know you want to see inside. Right, let's open this up. So when you open it up, you have this inner zip for the main compartment. So they're branded zips. It's got Nayo Smart on there. It's got a nice little pull tag. And then these zips as well, on the front two pockets, they are branded. So you've got nice chunky zips that go around there. Yeah, really impressed with the build quality of that. So these two front pockets work really well for, in here I've got a battery bank. So that is just a little battery bank, one of those ones that has the USB cable built in. That fits in there perfectly. In here we have some Galaxy Buds. We have a lens cloth. And then I have some of the batteries for the X100. So let's just stick those back in. All right, jumping into the main compartment. And again, having this additional zip inside just gives it that little extra bit of security. And I think, as I said before, I like this bag based on the fact that it doesn't look like a camera bag. So if you do travel or street photography, then this is one of those bags that's not going to stand out as I have an expensive camera. Opening this up, inside here we have our Fujifilm X100VI, and that fits in there absolutely perfectly. So I have on the front here a K&F Concept. This is a black diffusion quarter filter that goes on there. I quite like the look of that on the camera. I did have the square hood, hence the square hood hood. And that fits on there perfectly. The same as actually the original hood fits on there perfectly as well. But I think that looks quite nice on there. I'll do a review on that if you're interested at a later date. But yeah, super happy with my Fujifilm X100VI. That is my designated travel camera. I do a little bit of street with it, but not too much. But yeah, love that camera. And it fits in this bag absolutely perfectly. So inside here, we have a main pocket. Obviously, can fit that camera. We've got some mesh drop pockets. Got 3 of those. I've got a little card reader there, just in case I want to pull some images off on my way back from wherever I'm coming from. In the back here, we have enough space to fit a iPad mini. And you've got a little bit of branding on the back of the bag in there. And then turning it around, got 2 additional drop pockets here and here. Then you've got a pen pocket there. And that is pretty much it on the inside. Yeah, it's a really good size. Let's just show you the camera back inside there. So X100VI inside the bag. And even when it is placed in there with the lens facing that way, it's not going to protrude out the back or damage your phone because the bag has so much padding. So really, that was our first look at the Nayo Smart HL1 Herman bag. Now, I think this is a really great bag, and there's a lot of unknown brands around, and this is one of the ones that I hadn't heard of, but I'm pleasantly surprised that this is a very good quality bag. Oh, on the bottom of the bag here also, you've got a nice little bit of, it's not leather, I don't think it's leather. I will put a link to the description and specs in the description, and yeah, you can have a look and check out all the build quality and stuff. But I think this bag is very robust and it's going to last a good amount of time. So yeah, as I said, there will be a link in the description for a discount code for Nayo Smart. I really like this bag. Let me know your thoughts on it. Is it something that you might consider for your street photography or travel photography? Let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you found this video useful. I have a lot of sling bags and backpacks and cameras that I need to review, so stay tuned for those, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. See you again soon. Bye for now.